Okay, so if you're here, you are wondering what IAM is, right? Well, that's this right here. IAM. IAM is a invisible affiliate model. That is for the affiliates, right? We all want to get paid because come Friday, the bills are going to come. So you need to get paid. Now, with this system, though, you don't have to go work and promote and bug people or do anything like that. This does it all by itself. That's why it's called invisible. It does the work for you while you get to spend on what you need to do. So I'm going to show you here a diagram. We have, let's say we have a person here. Now this person's coming along like you are. You're watching the video. You came along, you saw a video, which we'll call an ad. And in the video, it'll tell, it'll describe what's going on in the video. At the end of the video, it's going to tell you click on this link. So you're going to click on this link. Once you click on this link, it's going to send you to another page. Now in this page, it's going to have two little boxes. You're going to put your name in there. You can put your address in there. When you do that, well, it's not going to have just that on the page. You'll have some little, scribbling. You'll have some explanation of what you're doing here, which is going to reflect to the video. That's what this is, because you're wanting to know more. You saw the video, now you want to know more. You're going to put your information in the bottom here. Now you're going to go to the next page. The next page is going to be a long, well, it's not a long letter. It's got steps. So let's say we have 1, 2, 3 steps. So step 1, you're going to watch another video. But this video is going to explain exactly what this is. Now I know this guy, he made $10,000 in 30 days using this system. And by this system, what I mean, he made the money not knowing that he made the money. That's what you call invisible affiliate model. This got made while he was taking his time to put it somewhere else that needed to be done. This was getting done for him and he didn't have to do this. So step 2 has another video for you to watch. And it's going to have, tell you another step. Step 3, you're going to watch this video. Which step 3 most likely is going to tell you to share the video. Then you're going to come across, it's going to tell you you get a free gift, right? Free. Did you hear me? Free gift. Everybody loves free. Everybody loves free. No, I'm not going to tell you what that free gift is. You got to find that out on your own. Ha ha ha. So you'll get a free gift here. Then at the bottom, join a Facebook group. Who doesn't like Facebook groups, right? What's Facebook for? You get to mingle, you get to talk. It's for nosy people. So you join the Facebook group. So with these steps, all of these steps, you're going to be directed to your last page. Now this last page, with your free gift, this video that tells you to share, this video that will tell you step 2, what to do next. You're going to fill out all of your information here. Good information. Then this is what happens next. At the bottom here, I think I did it wrong. You have all of this nice green stuff coming out. So this is what the invisible affiliate model is. The invisible affiliate model will take your person that comes to your business, walk them through the steps. As they go through these steps, they are going through this system. And this system is your invisible affiliate model. Now at the end of this system is where, right here is your report stuff, the money. But you did not have to do anything. You didn't have to do it. This is set up to do this for you. So I would highly advise you to click on the link below to find out more about this. If you have a business You're going to want this. This is going to get you paid on top of what you're already doing currently now on the internet, no matter what it is. So you guys click on that button right below the link, and I will see you on the other side.